So I'm going to write a problem where I want you to find the HCF. Okay. Who could tell me what HCF stands for?
Highest common
Highest
factor,
common
sir.
factor.
Right, highest common factor. All right, so we're looking for the highest common factor. Um, so let's start just with numbers. Um, let's see here. 24. And what's the highest common factor of 24 and 27? What number can go into both of those? The largest number that can go into both 24 and 27. You could put it in the chat. You could put your response in the chat. Just think about it for a second.
Three, sir.
Okay, someone said 3. Can somebody back up that answer with a yes? Do you agree? Do you disagree?
Yes, sir. It's 3.
All right, so 3 is the answer. All right, HCF equals 3. Good job. Okay, now let's see. This second situation here, we have this going on. Let's just put a 4. Why not? 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's talk about.
Sir, I
Yes, go.
don't know the answer.
Say that one more time.
I already had got the answer.
Oh, you have the answer for this?
Me
This
too, sir.
already? Oh my
Yes,
goodness.
sir.
Oh my. Okay. Um, go ahead. Bernard, is that?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, Bernard. Tell me what you got.
3a b squared c cubed.
All right. So I I definitely agree with that. 3a b squared and c cubed. Now, can you explain how you got this answer?
Sir, I picked the a without a exponent because it's the lowest one you are looking for,
Okay. So
and it's common in the both of them.
mhm.
And for the b, I picked the lowest one, which is b squared, and it's in the both of them, so you can use it. And c, I picked the cube because cube is lower than to the fourth power.
Okay. And let me remind you, Bernard, that this does have an exponent. It's just not visible, right? Does everybody know the exponent here?
One, sir.
One, sir.
Yes.
One, sir.
So it's 1. So there we go. That is definitely correct, Bernard. Thank you for explaining it. So we have here our solution. Okay. Let's try another one. So we'll give someone else a chance to explain this time. So let's see here. Wait. So, and you notice how at the very end everything becomes a product. So this one, let's take a look at this situation here. Um, let's stop there. Okay, so Bernard got a chance to explain. Let's see if
Okay.
somebody else can tackle this one.
Sir, if no one wants to answer, can I answer?
No.
I can take, sir.
Yes, go ahead. Go ahead. Who's
Sir,
this?
yeah, we
Aha.
the HCF 8, sir.
Okay, 8 will be the HCF. Okay, let me just write the word HCF first. And who is speaking right now?
Jaron, sir.
All right, Jaron. Okay, so 8, you say?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Okay, 8 is the largest number that can go into 32 and 24. All right.
8, 8, 2, sir.
Okay, 8 to the power 2, 8 squared. Okay,
And B cube, sir.
B cube.
And a
Yes.
C. C.
No, no, no. We can't use a C because remember it has to
Oh,
be in
no
both.
C, sir. My mistake, no C.
No problem. All right, so we'll stop right there. Okay, everybody agrees? This is good?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good job, Jaron. Jaron, you want to explain how you figured it out?
So I find what to go into 24 and 32.
Mm-hmm.
Then watch exponent and get the smallest one.
Mm-hmm.
And how no C upon the second one, sir. Put no C.
All right. That's right. Good job, Jaron. All right. So let's see if we can try again. Hopefully I hear from Angela this morning. Let's see who all are here. Adolfo is here, Angela, Angeline is here, Nerine, Salmi, Suzanne, Yamara. Okay, guys, don't be shy this morning. All right, let's see. Let's try another one. We'll use a different set of variables this time. I won't put any exponents yet because you guys are so fast. So I'm not putting the exponents yet. Hmm. Okay, now the exponents coming in. Okay,
Sir, can I answer, sir?
go ahead, Dyson.
Sir, the HCF will be 5, sir.
Okay.
5x squared, sir.
Oh, okay. But what about you? You just left out the Y and the Z. Why did you just kick them out?
Because they're not common in all of them. Only in
Oh,
two of them.
okay, okay. All right. Did you everybody hear that? We didn't include the Y and the Z because it's not common to all three terms. So this is when I talk about terms, I mean this is one term. Even though it has a lot of little pieces to it, it's just one thing. It's one product. All these parts are being multiplied together. This is the second term, and this is the third. So just think about that. And yes, um, so 5 you said, and x squared. And you can go ahead and explain how you came about to find your answer.
Sir, I picked 5, sir, because it's the highest common factor for the coefficients. Sir, and then I saw x was the first variable for the first term, sir, so I compared it to the other terms to see if it was common in all terms, sir, and it was. Then I tried y, sir, but it was not common in all of them. and then z, sir, but it was not common also. So I picked the lowest exponent for x, sir, and that was x squared.
Okay, good job.